Hello friends. Hello friends. Welcome to the Smart Tech Studio. Today I am going to show you the Tecno POVA 2 smart tips and tricks. Friends, friends, this is Smart Tech Studio. So today I am show the Tecno POVA 2 tips and tricks. So this mobile phone I purchased years ago. So I will show you the how to use this and the tips and tricks of about that phone. So you can see the screen in the video and scrolling the screen. So when you put your finger on the screen of the mobile phone and switch the screen with your finger, so screen swipe like that. So friends, if you are new on my YouTube channel and you haven't subscribed, so please click on the like button, subscribe the channel, and also click on the bell icon because when you don't click on the bell icon, you don't receive any notification about my new videos when they upload on my channel, Smart Tech Studio. So I hope you subscribe my channel. Let's start the today's video. When you put 2 or 3 seconds for the your finger on the screen and tap your screen 2 to 3 seconds, then you show the setting and click on this like add setting, and this is the gestures setting. When you click on it, here are some gesture settings. So today I'm show you how to use these settings for your mobile phone when you use your mobile phone Tecno POVA 2. Friends, friends, when you put your finger left side flip on the screen, so you can see your screen back to the screen. After that, here are the some options open, and this is the option I want to show how to the off your on your screen of the mobile phone. Again, tap only 2 seconds, and after that click on the other settings and off this setting. Now you swap your screen of the mobile phone. So this is the setting completely closed and your first and screen swap when you swap the your finger on the mobile phone. And here are the other settings. When you click on it, after that you can see this setting again because I open this option. When you click on it, off the option, then this new and other settings are here completely closed and you can see on the screen. Some other settings you can use on your mobile phone which you want to on and off on the mobile phone. So one setting I will tell you how to the your icon size is small and big. How do you change the setting of the icon size? So here is the screen of the mobile phone. You can see other settings. So when I put the some setting apply, so same you apply on your mobile phone. So you can easily understand how to change these settings. So watch the complete video and click on this setting, and when you swipe this bar to right side, so your icon size is big from the small size. when you left side you end point, so your icon size is default size, and here are the some sizes you can select from the screen how to show the icons on the screen. So I hope you understand. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. I will tell you about the any difficulty which you have and use to the mobile phone. So this is the tips and tricks of the Tecno POVA tool. And this is the smart tool, very easy to use, know how to start, how to use. So this is very easy. You can easily use and keep your settings. So in the next video, I will tell you other setting about that phone. Take care for the next